right, well, thanks for taking the time, Steve. It's good to be with you at the Better Business Summit again, 2017. NAB's been partnering with us with this event since inception. Tell us a little bit about what it means to you as a business and how important it is to get in front of brokers, I guess.
Most importantly, I think the Better Business Summit delivers a couple of key things. It enables brokers to get together, to work as a group, learn from each other, and secondly, the opportunity for the industry to listen to high quality speakers, and those speakers giving tips to the businesses, the broking businesses, to improve what they do with their customers, to make sure that their customers are getting the best possible service, the most up-to-date information. I think the other side of the equation, the day is fantastic for that type of business development. But the awards also are important because they recognise excellence and performance in the marketplace. Brokers aren't getting 50% or plus 50% of mortgages in Australia without doing something correctly. And the recognition in your home state of excellence in this marketplace is also very important. So I think it goes to a number of things. Education, delivering a greater level of professionalism, and also rewarding and recognising excellence.
We heard from you just on stage just before, and you mentioned some research that NAB's put together, and it shows that there is a bit of a knowledge gap in terms of the public awareness around brokers and what they do. Do you think there needs to be, I guess, more engagement in terms of educating the public about the third-party offering?
I think that's correct, and I think a lot of it goes to things like the use of social media. I think that brokers and broking businesses need to really use social media and all forms of contact with their customers to spread the word. Also, it's important that banks like NAB support the broker channel overtly. We encourage development, we encourage professionalism, we talk about the broker channel both internally and externally, and we ensure that everyone understands exactly what a broker delivers to a customer, because they do deliver a great service.
It's been an interesting 12 months, I guess. The last 12 months has been, as you mentioned when you're on stage, different political rumblings in Europe and obviously in the US as well, and obviously we've had the ASIC remuneration review, which we haven't had too much information about at all, but it's sort of been something which has been on brokers' minds. I guess just sort of finally, what advice would you give to brokers who may be concerned about if things are going to change in the future, who are just looking to do the best they can in their businesses?
So the most important thing is not to overreact, because we don't actually know yet. We've supplied, as I mentioned on stage today, lots of information. Aggregators, brokers, lenders have all supplied to the regulator enormous amounts of information. We know that it's broader than just remuneration. We do know and recommend and have supported upfront and trailing commission, because we believe that is a fair way for brokers to be recompensed. We encourage brokers to focus on their customers, to focus on what they do day to day, and increase their own professionalism, their own education, and the relationships long term with their customers. And let's deal with the report when we actually get out and see the detail.
Good stuff. Thanks, Steve.
Thank you.